You can see there is a rotating button which can adjust the charging mode. To the left is a slow charging mode, can charge 4 batteries at the same time at 15 ampere. When the knob is in the middle, it will become the standard charging mode, which can charge 2 batteries at 30 ampere. When it is rotated to the right, the charger can charge 1 battery and the current will reach 60 ampere, fully charge one 22,000 mAh battery in just 20 minutes. You can see this charger has 4 channels and can charge 4 batteries at the same time. Instead of waiting by the charger, you just need to connect your battery at one time, and you can do other things. The smart charger automatically adjusts the charging current when multiple channels are used. When you only need to charge 1 battery, our maximum current reaches 60 ampere. When the number of cells rises to 4, the maximum current of the cell is allocated to 15 ampere per cell.